So I'll be showing you how to record your screen on your iPhone 15. I have the Pro Max here, but this works on all the iPhone 15 models. So the iPhone comes with a built-in screen recorder, and to access it, simply swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to go to the control center. And what you're looking for is this icon. This is a screen recorder icon, this one with a dot and a circle around the dot, this one right here. Now, if for some reason this icon is not available in your control center, what you want to do is go to settings. That should take you to the main settings page. On the main settings page, go to control center, tap on that, and then here you should see all the controls that are in the control center. Okay, and then under more controls, you'll see a list of other controls which are not in the control center but can be added to the control center. And as you can see, I have my screen recording control here. If I remove it, it's going to go back to this list. Okay, and then now when you go to the control center, that screen recorder icon is not there, and that might be why you don't have the screen recorder icon. So all you need to do is find the screen recording icon here, action here, tap on the plus symbol. It gets added to the included controls to this list, and then now when you swipe down, you should see it in your control center. So once you do that, to record your screen, simply swipe down to the control center, tap on the icon. It's going to give you a 3-second timer, and now it's recording the screen. Everything I'm doing is being recorded. When you're done, just tap on the dynamic island and tap on the stop button to stop the screen recording, which will be stopped and saved to the gallery. So now you can go into the Photos app and find your screen recording there. Here. Okay. Now, if you want to record audio with your screen recording, then swipe down, and instead of pressing the recorder button, just long press it. And once you long press it, you'll have the option to turn the microphone on. Okay. Then with the microphone on, you can now tap on empty space and then now start your screen recording. 3-second timer goes, and now it should start recording your screen together with the microphone. Okay, so it's currently recording the screen together with my voice. And when I stop and go and check it out in the gallery, I should have my voice recording with audio. And now it should start recording your screen together with the microphone. Okay, so it's currently recording the screen together with my voice. And that's basically how to record your iPhone screen on the iPhone 15 and 15 Pro models. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.